All right, guys, I'm back with another vlog. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to replace your push button start on your vehicle. This right here is a 2017 Ford Explorer. I had to change mine. I'm going to show you the old one. I already installed this, but I'm going to pop this back out just to show you how quick and how easy it is to replace one of these. At first, I tried to take this out without taking this outer trim off, but I couldn't do it. So what I had to do is I had to go around here like this and pop this thing here out. And it all comes out like this. As one piece. And there you have it. All right, so the vehicle is running right now. So the truck is running. So and it's just one plug. It's just that simple. Now you got these prongs on the back. You have two prongs on the back of this trim. You push these down, and then it'll allow this trim to go that way. Of course, you have to take the plug off, and that's pretty much it. But I'm going to show y'all guys the old one. Yeah, the vehicle is running. You see the buttons on. Let me see if I can find this old one. I had it last night, and I'm going to show y'all guys the part number as well. Okay, so the issue I was having with this old one was, if y'all guys look closely, it has a crack right there, and I actually opened it up, went inside and took a look, and I mean, what it is you see it sticking, and if you press it, you can see it splitting right there. It wouldn't spring back like they normally do, and that was the issue I had. Of course, this one is springing now a little bit more than it was, because it had all kind of types of gunk in it, and you know, when you eating and you're pressing the button, stuff like that, eventually these things get sticky. See right there, it wouldn't bounce back. But this is the part number I got from the dealership, and it's DG-10B776AB. And I got this from the Ford dealership, and it cost $56. And I hope this here can be helpful to many people out there that has this issue with their push start on their vehicles. I mean, I'm not saying that it'll be this easy for all of them, but for the Ford Explorer, it's very simple. It's straightforward. It's no issue. And like I said, I just popped it out. Y'all see me popped it out. Y'all see the green indicator that the vehicle is running at the same time. And I popped it out, pushed it back in. If you notice around the edge, it doesn't look like it's abused or anything. Of course, I got to clean the interior up. I'll do that in a little bit here, but it's been raining all day, so that's another story. But yeah, I hope this is helpful to any one of y'all guys out there that might need it. See you later. Whip.